Pretty sure this is a mini blizzard. Like, see all that snow? That's all snow. Chair just moved. Like, look how fast the wind is blowing. Look at the sky. You can't even see past the tree that's right there. Like, see everything moving because of the wind? Like, it's literally a mini blizzard. Look. Like, there's barely any snow on the ground because snow just gets pushed all the way over there. Like, you can barely see anything. Like, it's crazy. I don't know, but can you guys see all this snow that's getting blown? Yeah, look. Kinda can. If you look at the ground, you can see the snow. But look at it right over there. It's crazy.